How to find your Facebook user ID and username on Android. This tutorial shows you how to locate both in just a few taps. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three lines at the top left of the screen. From there, tap on your name at the top to go to your profile. At this point, your username will be displayed right below your name on your profile page. It usually starts with an @ symbol. In the next step, to find your user ID, tap on the three dots on your profile page and tap on Copy Link to Profile. Following this, open any Notes app or text field on your device and paste the link. Once done, look at the link. The string of numbers at the end of the URL is your Facebook user ID. From here, if your profile link shows your username instead of numbers, it means Facebook has assigned you a custom username instead of a numeric ID. At this stage, to get your numeric ID, open Chrome on your Android device and go to facebook.com and log in. From there, tap on your profile and look at the URL in the address bar. The numbers after the last slash are your Facebook user ID. Finally, you can copy and save both your username and user ID somewhere safe for future reference. And that's it. If this guide helped you find your Facebook user ID and username, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.